Hello everyone, Sat Shri Akal ji. We are back with this amazing Breville Barista Touch coffee machine for coffee lovers. Today we will see how this coffee machine works and make a delicious cafe latte. Before you skip this video, please press the like and subscribe button and comment as well because it helps us to grow. Now let's jump to its parts now and make a delicious cafe latte. So this is our amazing coffee machine, Breville Barista Touch. It's an Australian home appliance brand. Now we have turned it on. This is 54mm portafilter. So there are 4 filters which come with this. Right now we are using 2 cup single wall filter. This is stainless steel milk jug. This is a knock box in which we will be throwing our waste coffee. This is a 54mm tamper which will smoothen the coffee after we have grinded it. This is a bean hopper. It has a capacity of 250 grams. This is a steam wonder. It will steam our milk. This is a coffee shot. This is touch screen in which we see different types of coffees which we can make in this machine. Flat white, Americano, espresso, cappuccino. This is water container. This is water storage container in which wastewater comes. And now let's get into making coffee. Let's go. So now we are going to grind the coffee beans. So please note that our coffee grinder setting is already set to number 10. There are total of 35 settings. The lesser the number, the more fine the coffee is, and the more number, it's more coarse. Now we are attaching our 54mm portafilter. Now we just selected the cafe latte option. Now we are starting grinding the coffee. Our coffee is being grinded. So our coffee is grinded now. Now we will give it a good tap to settle it down. And now we will be using 54mm tamper to flatten the coffee so that the coffee is brewed properly and equally and the flavor is extracted properly. So we have used our tamper nicely. Now we will attach to its original place. Look how nice coffee looks, flattened and spreaded equally. Now we will be attaching it to the brewing part. And let's brew the coffee. Now we will click on brew button. After clicking the brew button, coffee will start brewing after 10 seconds. It is because that this machine has default setting. You see that there is no coffee coming out of the machine. Exactly at 10 seconds, coffee started brewing. Now our coffee is brewed. Now we remove the portafilter securely and throw the coffee waste in the Breville knock box. Maintaining our coffee machine and coffee machine parts is as important as drinking coffee. Now we'll go to the next step. Now we'll pour our coffee shot in our coffee mug. And then we'll steam our milk. Now we take our stainless steel milk jug and pour the milk to the max level. Now we take our milk jug and place it on top of automatic milk sensor. Now as you see, our milk temperature is already set to 75 degrees Celsius, and the froth setting can go as high as 8 and as low as 1. We are going to set it to 4, and milk temperature is also 75 degrees Celsius, which is the maximum in this machine. As you see, this is the automatic milk sensor, which should be touching the milk glass, milk jug. Now we'll start our frothing and steaming of milk. After clicking on steam button, our steam wonder starts steaming and frothing our milk. Automatic milk sensor in this machine is a very good option. It also has a manual option, but we use automatic milk sensor as it automatically cuts off steaming and frothing at the temperature and the frothing setting which we have set it to. And you can also see the temperature rising on the screen. And you can hear noise also. Now you can see steam wonder stops at target temperature. Now we take off the jug from its place, and this is a very important step in maintaining our coffee machine. Now we clean the steam wonder straight away. We don't have to wait. We clean it and we maintain it. After cleaning steam wand from outside, we place it back to its place, and it automatically makes high pressure and cleans it from inside. And the wastewater collects in the storage container, which we can clean it anytime. Now we take our coffee mug in which we poured the coffee shot, and we add the organic hazelnut flavor to make it more delicious. Now take our steamed milk and start pouring the milk in the coffee mug like a professional barista. Learning how to make designs on the coffee. This is our final outcome of our cafe latte by a professional barista, Mankaram Singh. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe for more. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. Stay tuned for more content coming soon. See you guys soon. Bye for now.